Hey y'all, it is October the 2nd. Now, the video might be a little choppy, but it's okay because guess what? I was not going to vlog today. But I'm just gonna, ooh, look at that, Mother Nature. I'm just gonna take what I'm doing and just bring it on to you guys. I know you guys like to see. Y'all, today is unlike any ordinary day to me. It's so beautiful out here. Like, so beautiful. I'm gonna turn the, I mean, you can see behind me, but it's so, I was just passing someone and I was just letting her know, like, today is a good day. It's so peaceful. It's so bright. It's so, it's like, I think it's 72 degrees. I feel so good. So here's my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Yes, yes, yes. But yeah, I wanted to just show y'all how beautiful it is. It's, y'all, it's amazing. It's priceless. So I wanted you guys to see. Oh my goodness, it's just so quiet and peaceful. There's like maybe 10 people at the max walking, but they're walking like, they're just enjoying. I am speed walking, so I can't hang with them, but I have a couple of associates here that I'm trying, if I go around once, I catch up with them. But I just wanted to show y'all. So I hope you guys enjoy what you see in the back of me. It's awesome. The leaves are turning. It's amazing. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Hey guys, here's a snapshot of some stuff right now that I see. That you see right here, all of these, they're turning. And I've been watching them turn for the last 2 weeks. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's pull in. Look at that. Guys, who can do that? Who can do that? Hey y'all. I just wanted to come back for a minute. I'm stuck on the freeway actually. Not stuck, but y'all, I have never in my life seen a burnt car on fire on the freeway. And the ambulance just passed me, so I don't know, like, is somebody in this vehicle or what? Now, I already passed it, so I can't show y'all, but that just literally, like, messed with my spirit a little bit. I really hope and pray that they are okay, but I've never seen nothing like that before. And it was dripping stuff, so it looks like it was already on fire, but I think in a little while, I don't know, it might start again because it was stuff dripping from it. So yeah, that ain't nothing to talk about, but yeah, I never seen that before. But yeah, guys, I'm just sitting here on the freeway waiting for this traffic to die down so I can get where I got to go. Look at all this traffic. Did y'all see all of that? Well, it's a lot of traffic in front of this truck. But yeah, I thought I'd check in, talk to y'all for a minute, and I'll probably see y'all later, okay? I'm just gonna throw in bits and pieces of my day into this video. And yeah, look at this. Oh, it was an accident. That's why all those people and stuff was outside. So that's what was going on, y'all. I'll see y'all later, okay? That's why it was so much traffic. Now it's time to go. So I want to show y'all something. The boys are outside. Let me make sure they're not. Okay. I gotta keep my eye on them. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all. Surprise. So, do y'all see this? Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that beautiful? So yeah, the doors got taken off of there. The insides got painted gray. So don't mind these here, but I'm trying to figure out like what kind of things to put in there. I want you guys to let me know in the comments. I always ask y'all suggestions. So I actually want to take some items. I'm going to show you. Let me know if y'all think what y'all think about this. I'm going to see if I can find a lamp or something to go here. So I'm going to take this, put it here, take this piece, put it in here so I could showcase some things, and then I have to see what they're doing, y'all, because they screaming. This here, and maybe this here, and that there, go inside of here to see how that will work, okay? Just to showcase Matter of fact, let's try this. Let's try to see. Let me go get one, y'all, and let me see what that looks like. So I just wanted to bring you guys along for the look and for what I just showed y'all that was done here. So you see what I'm saying? Put one, look at that. Now that looks good to me. Y'all let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Do y'all think I should do what I said, put just one item? So this will go here. The gold little switch, circle little sculpture will go here. And then I'll put that black short one that I put gold around will go in the last one. And then what I'll do is I will find some white touch light lamps, LED, and I will put them in here and it will just light up. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I like that so far, like this. I like that. So the boys are acting a little rambunctious, so I'm gonna have to go check on them. But let's take this out of here in the meantime. Oops, so let's go put this back. Put this back right here. And y'all, hold the line, please, okay? Hold the line, please. So guys, on the other channel, I did do a haul. Go and check out the other channel. Go over there and check out my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. And then I'll show you guys that I picked up some of these things from Dollar Tree, but also that I did a haul for Dollar Tree vegan goods, and also I did a cook with me. So check that out. But y'all, I picked up let me place y'all right here. I picked up these few items here. I got the Scott's tissue 4-pack. I got some Fabuloso, because I'm going to show you something that I've seen. It was a TikTok hack. And y'all know I don't really do TikTok like that, but just want to show you if the hack works, okay? So let's get ready to take these things in the bathroom, okay? So hold the line. All right, first, y'all, let's put the tissue up. So this is where I keep my little stash. So I'll put the good ones that I bought with the, this part here, going to be facing that way, like that. And then I'll take my 2 new ones and put those in the front of that. So there we go, like that. Put these here. That won't fit there. Well, it'll fit like that. I'd rather for it to go this way, but, oh, okay, let's see. All right, that'll work. That'll work. So, this here, I was told, if you take the cap, keep the cap on, but, do I have safety pins? Y'all, hold on. I don't know what I did with my safety pins. Hold on so I can show you guys the trick. So, here are my safety pins. So, I was told that, let's take this down. If you take the Fabuloso, can y'all see me? Let me make sure y'all can see me. I was told, it was demonstrated, if you take the Fabuloso and put a pinhole in it and turn this upside down, every time, turn this upside down, put a little pinhole. So I'm going to put a pinhole. Uh-oh. So, oh, it is squirting out. Y'all, it's squirting out. Y'all see it squirting out? I'm going to put the pinhole and put it in here. And they say every time you flush, it should do it. So let's see. Let's give it a try, y'all. Hold on. So this is the color. I don't know if you have seen it, but I'm gonna paint my nails this color. And guys, guess what? That the Fabuloso trick really does work. So kudos to whoever came up with that. But yeah, it does work. So guys, I got this. Oh, I already can tell it looks beautiful. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. So guys, I'm gonna finish my nails. I'm gonna put together a salad and some fake chicken stuff, and Mark, if you want to say something, come over here. Y'all, he's behind the camera. Hurry up so I can,
Hello.
don't do that. Come around here because you're going to mess it up. Come around this way. Come around this way. Can you come around this way and say hi? Y'all,
Hi.
you have to come this way. They can see you. Could you see me on that side? Don't make the camera fall. Could you see me when you look over that way? Say hi. I ain't going to get it on you. You're so worried.
That's nice.
I'll put that on you. Give me one back on my cheek. Love you. So look, y'all. Look how pretty. So what I'm going to do, look at that. So pretty. What I'll do is I'll come back and show you guys. Helping. Don't y'all be helping, Nana?
No.
No.
Yeah.
You like helping?
Yeah.
Girl, y'all like killed this onion. Like, look at that. They like eating onion, which is good for them. But we're going to have salad. I'm going to put it in this bowl. And we got fake chicken strips here. And we will see y'all in a little while. I'm going to take them on a bike ride in about 25 minutes. I had to come back so we can end this video. Baby girl's here. She about to make some labels on the printer. Look at her hair, y'all. It's growing and beautiful. Yes. But we got cookies. They turned out good. We got some. I put nuts and stuff on it and dark chocolate, almonds. We're going to end this video.
See y'all.
We're going to end this video. Come here, y'all. Come on. Do you want cookies?
Yeah.
Well, you better come on so we can end the video. Y'all, they just learned a new dance. Come on. We're about to do the old man, right? What is matter with you? You better stop that stuff. Do the old man, do the old man, do the old man, do the old man. See y'all in the next video. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye. Do the old man, do the old man, do the old man, do the old man, do the old man. Peace, y'all. Peace.